Hi fellas, this is Chemaddcts again to the solution. Welcome back to my another video tutorial. Well, guess what? Today we're gonna solve organic chemistry problem. We're gonna solve question paper after a long time. Yes fellas, today is the final day that we're gonna solve. This is the final day. The day has come. The day has come to solve the questions. So I'm I'm again start solving the question papers. Okay, chemistry question papers. Is that right? Yes. Well, let's get started. Today's topic is how the no, this is not the thing. So solve today we're gonna solve this question. So what we will do in this video tutorial, we will solve this question. So let's see the question. So today we are going to solve this study question. The energy density of a fuel is defined as the energy produced per kilogram of fuel. Calculate the energy density of dodecane, okay, in kilojoule per gram. In kilojoule per gram, give your answer to two significant figures. The enthalpy change of the combustion of dodecane is this. Okay, so the molar mass is given here. So let's straight jump to the topic. So this is the question. Let's solve this. Though my presentation is very bad, I'm really sorry about that. After all, I am the amateur. So this is the energy density given. Energy density. At first, let us know what is meant by energy density. So energy. So let us write the unit for energy density. Energy density. Okay. So here, let us look at the energy density that is given over here. So this is the information, valuable information that is given in the question. So in order to solve this question, we need to use this piece of information. So the unit here given is kilojoule per kg. So we can write this thing in this manner. So sorry, not kg, kilojoule per kg. So hence we can deduce that energy density is equals to kilojoule divided by kg. So we don't need to learn this formula. We need to derive this formula by use simply we need to derive this formula by seeing the unit. That's it. As simple as that. So we're gonna use this formula over here. We don't need to remember this formula, or you don't need to study this formula. You just find it over here by seeing the units. Okay, so this is the unit. So here let us find the energy. Here the energy is this. So we straightly use this formula. So the energy over first is energy kilojoule. So we need to first write minus 8086. Okay, then we need to find the mass of what? Dodecane. So here the mass is given gram per mole. So this is the molar mass. So what we need to do is we need to use this mass. Okay, so we need to use this mass. So here it is in gram, so we need to convert this in kg. So for that we need to multiply this minus 10 to 170 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3. Since this is in gram, so we need to multiply this by 10 to the power minus 3. And that's it. You will find the answer. Minus, if we evaluate this value, this will give us as minus 47565. Okay, and let us round this up. So here is one thing that we need to notice, that here they have bolded out the letter two significant figures. So most of the students make mistake over here. They just miss this piece of information. So what we need to do is, here we need to, obviously we must round this figure to two significant figures. So this will give us as minus 48,000, and don't forget to mention the unit. The unit for this thing is kilojoule per kilogram. Okay, so this is how we're gonna solve this problem. So did I miss anything? Let me check. So let me say one thing, that now let us examine this mark given here. So the mark for this is 3. So this question has 3 marks. So let us evaluate this mark. That is 1 mark. Uh, Sorry, 1 mark is for procedure. Sorry, I have written procedure in wrong manner. So this is 1 mark for procedure, then second mark for the significant figure, okay, significant figure, and the third mark is for the unit. So unit of the quantity. So this is the general thing that we need to keep in mind whenever we are doing calculations, whenever we are carrying out calculations. Okay, so these are the things that we need to always keep in mind. So before solving this type of questions, so first of all, always keep an eye over this thing. Okay, so most of the student misses this thing out, so don't. So let me write in this bold red mark. Don't ever miss this thing. Okay, thing. Don't ever miss this thing. It is really important. For that you might lose 1 mark, this piece of mark. And don't ever forget to mention unit of the quantity. Here in this case the quantity is given, so the quantity is not the real factor, but sometimes they misses out the quantity, so you never ever forget to mention the unit as well as the significant figure. Well, that's the main thing for this solution. So this is the main thing for calculations. Okay, so most of the student loses mark for these two things. First one is for significant figure, and the third mark is for, the first thing is significant figure is the important thing, and the second one is the unit of quantity. So don't ever forget to write or round this into significant figure. then the unit of quantity, and don't ever forget to put sign before the quantity. Okay, so don't ever forget to mention the sign of this quantity. Okay, so these are the things that you need to keep in your mind while solving this type of question, this chemistry question. More specifically, the signs are very important. Okay, signs are important, and significant figures are important, units of the quantities are important. Okay, so now let us write the answer: minus 4 8 triple 0. So that's the solution to this question. I hope that I am able to share some of the important facts about this solution. So I hope that these facts are helpful to you, useful to you. So you may not forget these things while you are solving this type of while you are carrying out this type of calculations. Okay. Well, fellas, that's the end of today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, fellas. I really appreciate that you always watch my video tutorial and you find my video tutorial helpful. And I'm really amused by by seeing your feedbacks. I love watching your feedbacks, fellas. We always glad to see your uh, feedbacks. Though my English is really bad, well, still you always support me. Okay. Well, is there any part of this question that I have missed or you don't understand? Is there any part of this solution that I have missed or you don't understand? If yes, please let me know in the comment section. Okay. Don't leave the comment section blank if you are watching this tutorial. Okay. Please give your feedback for this video tutorial, since this feedback plays a vital role for making videos. Okay. I hope that my handwriting was good and my handwriting was fast in today's tutorial. Well, if you missed any of the previous tutorial, you may find it here by clicking this book icon. If you are already our fellows, we are glad to have you here. If you are not, please click this button to stay updated and be fellows. We always want our community to grow bigger. Okay. Thanks for watching. Once again, thanks for watching. Be awesome. Best of luck.